Well, first we wanted to kind of make a splash when you showed up at the sites, but also after being in the business and seeing the explosion of monthly subscribers, we knew that 8 years from now we might be having extremely high volumes, and we wanted to be able to move those customers through quickly and conveniently. So we have marked one lane for our monthly pass customers. We saw about a 60-cent ticket average increase when we actually changed our workflow back then to make that the very first screen that you see is a yes to the top package, no to go into the rest of the workflow. So the first thing you're going to hear is a wizard voice.
Welcome to Wash Wizard.
That's super cool.
So our price points, though, we're at $10 for our basic clean and dry.
Okay.
$15 when you move into the wheel package.
Sure.
And I like how that branding works, but the folks really love the wheel package, of course. And this is our basically our old top package with the fusion process at $20. And then we, of course, added the new ceramic packages. Everything we offer, all wrapped up in one.